Hi friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Our discussions is biochemistry. Okay, glycolysis. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis is called Embedon-Meyerhof pathway. Glycolysis is called Embedon-Meyerhof pathway. Okay, Glyco means glucose. Okay friends, glyco means glucose and lysis. What is the meaning of the lysis? Lysis means breakdown. Lysis means breakdown. Okay. Now, this is the main fact that glucose with the help of enzyme name means hexokinase. Okay, hexokinase. Glucose with the help of the enzyme hexokinase, we get glucose 6-phosphate. Okay, we get glucose 6-phosphate. Must remember, we get glucose 6-phosphate. Here ATP converted into ADP. Here ATP converted into ADP, and glucose 6-phosphate with the help of ATP means it takes ATP and converted into ADP. Okay friends, it is ADP, and use isomerase enzyme name isomerase. Okay, enzyme, we get fructose 6-phosphate. So must remember, glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate, and glucose 6-phosphate with the help of the isomerase enzyme and ATP converted into ADP, we get fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate. Must remember, we get fructose 6-phosphate, and fructose phosphate we get with the help of the phosphofructokinase. We get fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate, and after that it will break down into two parts with the help of the aldolase. Aldolase is one kind of enzyme. We get glyceraldehyde plus dihydroxy acetone phosphate, and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. We get glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. After that it will come glyceraldehyde, spelling glyceraldehyde, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. After that we get glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. After that we get glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. After that we get 1,3 1,3-diphosphate, 1,3-diphosphoglycerate, and here 2 ADP converted into 2 ATP. After that we get 3-phosphoglycerate, and after that phosphoglycerate with the help of the phosphoglycerate mutase. Okay, here phosphoglycerate, so we everything we remember, but we can say phosphoglycerate mutase. I write mutase. Okay, mutase is one kind of enzyme. We get 2-phosphoglycerate. After the 2-phosphoglycerate, we use enolase, and we get phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, no problem. I hope this is actually remembering. Okay, glycolysis is also remembering. You have to remember the name phosphoglycerate pyruvate and 2 ADP, and after that I use pyruvate kinase. I get pyruvate. So here 2 ADP converted into ATP. 2 ATP. So friends, this is the total glycolysis. Our ATP, total ATP, 2 ATP is reduced, and we get 4 ATP. So our total ATP is 2 ATP. Okay friends, and now you have to know what is glycolysis. Glycolysis is, remember friends, this is the very important. Glycolysis is anaerobic phase of metabolism. Friends, now the questions: what is metabolisms? Metabolism is defined biochemical changes. Definition of the metabolisms. Metabolism is defined biochemical changes. Biochemical changes and occurring in a living systems. Which facilitate energy changes or transfer of biomolecules. Thank you.